I wholeheartedly 100% would suggest the program. Like I said, it definitely will make you feel empowered in how you present the decisions that you want to make within the companies, because they give you the skills on, when you have a hypothesis or a question about something, how to get to an answer that people need. I'd say apply for the program, apply early, and be very vocal, because there's a community of people that I never knew existed that have so much experience and information to share. That was probably the most beneficial part, is meeting the other students, because we all walked in there blind trying to explore and learn something new, but we all learned so much from each other. When you're in a field like coffee, where now specialty coffee has made it where the sensory evaluation portion is the primary facet. And if you don't have a vast history with that, if you don't have a vast amount of knowledge in sensory science, then you're pretty much handicapped, because I didn't have the skills to effectively, take on these tasks at work. Once I was able to get ahead of that, like, this program taught me so many skills that made it so that, like I said, that confidence and not feeling like I was uneducated in anything that I had to do, I actually was able to show new things to my company. The best part about the program was that it started with the history of sensory evaluation, and then it expounded into different methodologies that were built throughout the history. So it kind of equips you with tools now to go out here and analyze things in ways that you never thought you could. My goal is to work with product development for many companies and allow a sort of training that creates more sensory professionals and opens up the quality control field to make better decisions for companies for as long as I'm working. I honestly want to get more into the education side and focus on training and educating people. One day I'll even might be a UC Davis review.